Guys, welcome to my channel. Yes. So I am Jhon Starling. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a slime. I believe that is super cool, but let's get started.
Just you need to use soap, mice, and let's get started, guys.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow.
Oh my gosh, guys, so that is super cool and I love it so much, guys. Oh my god, look at that, it's so pretty, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my gosh, it looks like a chewing gum.
Go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you.
Well, guys, I love you so much. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.